Got the screen? Let me share it. Shall you share your screens?
My screen, sir?
Is it? No. Activation is not needed. Activation not needed. I will show it later. But we have
First, I didn't activate it, sir.
Okay.
After that, I activated.
No problem. Okay, you have done. You have it. Right. I will share my screen. So what is the flow? Our definition.
Sir?
What is our flow definition?
Screen.
No, not screen. There are various types of flows. One is the screen flow. Now, apart from that, you have a record flow, record ticket flow, scheduled flow. Right. So, flow builder, we use two things. One is as a wizard screen. The second thing is to execute some custom logic also. Even we can make creations, readings, updates, deletes, whatever the standard functionality is available, that also we can know. And whatever the customers want to add this, multiply this, or do something else, all these things can also be done. This is the, and coming to the, okay, when I try to create a new flow, so these are the types of flows available. One is a screen flow, which is like a wizard, step by step by step, screen by screen by screen. Like we are creating a custom field, it is asking the step 1 or screen 1 to enter the metadata. So what is the label you want, what is the API name you want, you know? This is one thing. And record trigger. So whenever a record inserted, updated, deleted something, so what to happen? So that is validation rule. Before inserting a record or updating a record, do these validations. Record trigger. So that is also one trigger which is getting fired before inserting or before update. So like that, they are now my focus is on only the screen. Clear now? Okay. Next, this is the canvas. Like in process builder, we have canvas. This is the canvas where administrators design what to happen, when to happen. Okay, sound clear?
Yes, sir.
Right, okay. Then I have auto layout, which is nothing but like ladder, where the first is a starting point, the last is ending point, and in between anything else. We will create the screen by screen by screen. Then free form is to make free. Okay, first we will insert some elements. After that, we will have this designing part. Now, what's our requirement? We need to calculate Indian style full name, American style full name. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Right. So in that case, what I am doing is yesterday you have attended, no?
Yesterday, I think.
Using the flow. Okay. So if it is a programming, what we will do? We will write public we don't know. Simple class full name calculator. So this is the class. And what the class have? It has two members for taking input, that is a string, to enter first name. I will use as setting part. Setting part means I will set the value, I will fetch the value from the set. Like that. Let me have another variable for last name and one more where I can use this for result. That is Indian style or whatever. Now currently I will take Indian style. Let it have one method called. In this, what I will do, I will concatenate like this. First name concatenated with this, concatenated with last name. Same thing. In formula, what I have done, and if it is in Apex language, we will plus, just plus symbol in Apex language. Like that, if you want to have American language, American style, last name, after comma appending, space appending, then first name. You have done the same way in a formula, no?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, we don't know this program. We are admins. So, how we do? Now, I am taking it as free form now. So, auto layout we know. So, this is the starting point. Next, I will be having a design like that. Okay, we will create the screen. So, I am taking a screen, drag, drop. The screen is asking, give me some name. API name, label name. First, I will give label name. This welcome screen. In this art inputting, just displaying the text, welcome text. Here we can insert an image, rich text. This is basically a rich text element. Something I am giving. Okay. Then screen 2. I am taking screen 2. Here what I will do, inputs. Please enter your information. There. So here put text to type template. Text 1 for first name, So label I am giving enter your first name. Otherwise, what happens if you give label API name, it will automatically take blank spaces are not acceptable, so it will take underscore. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
Right. So instead of that, I want to have a clear API name. I'm doing first. Let that give one more text. This is class name, variable name, label it and by the last. Okay. So this is enough for screen 2. This is screen 2. Then the final screen will give you the value. This is final screen. That is result screen. Here what we will do, we will output display. If you have any resource already done, like in programming, what we will do first, we will create a variable first, then we use it. This happens in flow builder. Also, you can in flow have muted. Have unmuted? You are listening now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In flow builder also we can declare first, not a problem. Now on the fly, while doing also you can do. So if you have a resource, you can use it here, like already last name resource is there, first name text data type resource is there, like that. Else you can also create one formula resource so that you can do. Okay, forget. I'm not doing anything. Just I am displaying what the user has entered. I will do that. Okay. Now simply I am inserting first. Then last. That's it. I'm not doing any calculation, any processing. So first name is the I am typing it, and this dynamic variable binding, what we call dynamic binding, automatically it is there. So last name we entered is this one. That's it. Now tell me, once you launch this flow, which screen coming here? Is there any connection that what is first, what is second? No.
No, sir.
Because it is free form. If it is an auto layout form, that might have taken, right, while creating itself, order would. The problem with auto layout is it is difficult to change the order. That's it. Fix top to bottom to bottom to bottom. That's it. Fix. But here the advantage is you can change anything. For example, I am giving the last screen first, results, which is not correct. Right? So now tell me, after the launching of the flow, which screen you are getting? Name of the screen. Result screen. And after that, I am giving please enter information. And after that, I am giving from here to here node. I am connecting. Right. So let's run it. The first screen it is calling is SHA flow for full name. Okay, that is the last screen. No? Last screen is coming first. If you go to that is coming, enter your values or something. Okay. And after that, it is giving you the first screen. Right? This is the order you have given. It's doing its job. That's it. Now, what we will do, we will connect disconnect. So you will select it, and from the keyboard, delete it. Here also delete it. Here also delete it. Now order. First is welcome screen. So from here to here also you can get. And after that, this is enter your details. After that, results. Then it will be closed, ended. Now save this and test. This is the first screen. Okay. Then click the next button. Enter the first name. Okay. Last name. So what the first name is SYED. It has been taken from the resource variable. Last name this one. Okay, finish. Enough. Over. Now we have to have one formula variable, result name variable, where we will concatenate it, multiply it, add it, or do something. Okay. Elements means screen element that you can use. Like a screen I have used, later I will use the action, or I can use some assignment, right? First name equals to Sayyid, last name equals to Shamsha. Present time is the current time. Like that I will be doing assigning decision. All these things we will take it later. Data means CRUD. You will create, you will get means read, update, delete. So like that you will be doing. Okay. Manager means these are the resources. These are the resources. So what are the resources you are using in your flow now? These are the resources. Screens. These are the screens you are using. Welcome screen, first name screen, last name screen, then something. Okay. These are the elements you are using. And coming to welcome screen, what are the resources you are using? Nothing. Just this one. Coming to the first name, it is screen component. You have used the screen component with the variable name, first name variable. Where you have used it? Here on this screen. And where have you used it? Here, result text also we have displayed it. Here itself you can create a new resource like formula, and formula written type is number, text, etc. Text only. Something. Yeah. Shiny name. So in this, what you will do, you will concatenate first. So first name, then concatenate it with some space. Again concatenate with last. Syntax, it is good. If you miss something, it will give some error. Okay. Same we have used in formula data type now. Remember?
Yes, sir.
Same manner. Right. So what I have done, first going to the manager tab, you are creating a resource. This is one step. So before you are creating, going to the last screen. Here you can simply display that one. So such that last Indian name, formula, right? Formula. So we have formula over there. This is one. Or on the flip, you can create from here also. Okay, this is also fine. Just the styling for time. Red center. 48 size. And save it. Let's check now. And finally, what? So this is the screen 1 and the screen 2. Enter. Screen 3, it is given. This is the formula resource. This is the formula resource, and this is variable. First name text variable. Last name text variable. So in this free form, this is the flexibility you can have. You can choose the order. I mean, you can freely transform from here to here, from here to here. That also you can done. Or else you want to give this first, that can also be done. So like that, a complete flexibility. Have you understood now?
Yes, sir.
Right. Clear now, Shavani?
Yes, sir. Now it's clear, sir.
So do the other stuff, multiple division or DMA.
BM.
Ask the person to enter height and weight. Okay. Ask to enter height and weight. And what you will do, weight divided by height. That's it. Nothing else. Weight divided by height. That will give some 18 means underweight. Underweight. Something nearer to this is very, very obese, overweight. This part we will look at. This categorization I don't want. I want just figure. What is it? It is 18.5 or 30 or something like that. This.
Yes,
You will get some hands-on, and then we can go to advanced part of that. So after that, what left over is our analytics, reports and dashboards. So with reports and dashboards, we can close that, and yeah, you can pick up into this part. And side by side, yeah, it goes. Even you join the job, right? Even after joining the job, the other topics are also there. Communities, the little bit coding part, little bit, right?
yes, sir.
So practice this and accordingly. Okay then, take care. So once you have done, just give me a message that you have understood the flow properly. Okay.
Yes, sir.